friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learners Combat.
Hello friends, today we'll discuss about functions. Functions are of two types. One is user-defined function and the second one is the inbuilt functions. And in user-defined function there are of three types: custom function, argument function and Lombard function. Today we'll discuss about custom, argument and Lombard functions. And now we'll see the custom function. Mainly a function can be defined by using a keyword that is def function name and function body. In custom function we will not use any argument, that is empty closed brackets, or we can call it as void. And in the function body we will use expression statements and all. And now we will see about argument function. Here we will use arguments, that is, and we will use inbuilt functions and all. Now we can call the function by using the function name and close the bracket with this argument. That in the arguments we will use int, files and strings, etc. And here now we will see the Lombard function. These are of also called as anonymous functions, and the expression for Lombard is the keyword for Lombard functions, and we will use the Lombard arguments and expressions. Here we can use any number of arguments, but only one expression we will give, that is the maximum. And now we will see these with some examples in the Python module. Here you can see the Python shell, and now we will open a Python module. First we will discuss about custom function, that is without any argument, that is we will call it as Dinesh with empty close brackets, and we will print the value, that is my name will print. And for the functions we will use an inbuilt, that is return of anything. We can give 1 2 3. And now we will save the function that as function, and now we will run it. Here we want to call the function, that is Dinesh close the brackets. Here we type that print of Dinesh Reddy and return of 1 2 3. Now we will see the difference between print and return. Now we will print the value, that statement Dinesh Reddy after the return statement. When we run this function, it will not print the value Dinesh Reddy. Here we can see what the output is 1 2 3, which is the value present in the return statement. This is because if you type the return means it will break the functions and expressions after that return value and go back to the main for module. And now here only we will define another function with some arguments. R of n. Here n is the argument and r is the function name we will call. And here we will use a function if n greater than 6, print of, we will take it as print of 6 or 8. And if n is less than 6, then we will use to print of print of 12. And finally we will use, here we will use elif, and we will use else function also. Else return of some value to 12 already again, so 123. And finally we'll write another function, that is, after checking all this, we'll return the value of n again. And now we will save this function and run the module. Now we'll use our function name, and the value will be 6. 6 is not greater than nor less than, so it is equal to, so it will print 1 2 3. And here it is returned to the value. If we use r greater than 6, it will return both the values, that is 23, and if r is greater 6 is greater than, means then it will print the value of 8 also. And here you can see 8 and 23. Here we can see n, that is 23 is greater than 6, so it will print 8, and finally it will return the value n. Okay, and now we will see the Lombard in the Python module. In the module we will see, the Python shell we will see, and we will make a function, that is, we will assume this Lombard as a variable to something, that is d. D will be the function name, that is, now we will see lambda space. Now here we need to give the variable. We will take n, and then n into 5 will be the expression. Now to call this function, that is function name d, we will use d of with argument n, that is we will take 2, and the output will be 2 into 5, that is 10. So by this I am clear with the functions of custom. I am clear with the function custom, arguments, and Lombard. Thank you for watching my videos.
I think I am clear with my class today. If you have any doubts, we will discuss about it in my Telegram channel. This is Dinesh Reddy signing out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learners Cobb app.